ang lalaro naaabot sa double digits in scoring, 10 points. Pwede pang dagdagan yan with this bonus free throw coming up.
Don't give up on it. Oh, nice pass. Oh!
Amazing ability to finish para kay Tyler Bay, but you can see na they're dealing with the zone defense. Mananakawa ni Tyler Bay. Halalon with a fake pass, and he is denied by Laput. Tatakbo ang Magnolia. Halalon, one-hander, gets the bounce again.
Back-to-back baskets for Gio Halalon. Defense creating offense.
Dito sa San Miguel Beer, Tyler Bay leaks out, and this will be showtime.
Tumatakbo pa lang siya, sumisigaw na yung mga fans ng Magnolia. Alam na nila may show tayo. We have a show coming up. Ito si Samar.
Terence Romeo.
Bagong hairdo na naman ni Terence. Eksakto. Palili pa rin ka ni Alan. Ito, hindi pa na nahawakan ng bola, sumisigaw na yung fans ng Magnolia. Alam